How to change a logo color on specific pages on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change a logo color or an image logo color that you have generated or created for your website on Squarespace from page to page. So this method is going to be including a code. So we are going to put the code onto the description section, and this code is going to be helping you to invert only the colors. So why inverting the colors? Because it is going to be a little bit fishy, or not that fishy, but a little bit harder to put the color to another specific color that will match the page. So most of the pages are going to be either white or dark. So basically we are going to have here the inverter. So in our case, I have set up, let's say, a specific logo. I have removed the background of it, and as you can see, the font color is going to be black. So in a website that has a dark header, it is going to be not appearing. So we are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account, and etc. Then we are going to visit our website. Now, as you can see, I have inserted the logo at the middle, and that is something that I intended to do because I'm going to show you how it is going to change. So this is the logo. I'm going to click on edit. So this is the logo. If I am going ahead here to edit the design of the logo or put it maybe at this specific area, you're going to see it a little bit clearer. So this is the site title or logo. I'm going to prefer you that it is going to be an image. This is it. So this is the image. Now, let's say that we want to invert this specific dark or black color to white. So how we can do that? Basically, we're going to click on save in here. So I'm going to click on exit. Then we're going to select the page that it doesn't, let's say here, show a lot or doesn't match the color. For example, I can go ahead and head over the recipes and I can see it clearly. So, but in the home page, it is going to be hard to see. So I'm going to invert the color from black to white. How we can do that? Select the page that you see it, and let's say here, not going well with it. Click on the gear icon or the setting for that page, and from here, you're going to see the page settings. From the page settings, we have this menu. We're going to click on the advanced. Advanced, that means that you're going to inject a code into the header. And in our case, I have this specific code. This is going to be a style code that is specific for images. We're going to copy that code and paste it in the specific area in here. Make sure that you are going to click on save before you are going to leave. So as you can see, we are going to see that the logo or the specific color of the logo has changed to white, and it is going to be visible in here. If I go to the recipes, it is going to be dark or black because we haven't added that code to that header on this page. So if you want to head over whatever page that you want, you can go ahead and do the same specific, as you can see, setting by copy and pasting the code. Make sure that you're going to use only the dark or white colors, and this is going to be inverting. So if I go ahead to the code, I'm going to see the WebKit filter invert 100%, filter invert, that means the color, and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.